Hello, welcome to Bradley's Maths. This video supports worksheet 1.4, rational numbers, irrational numbers and reciprocals in the number section of my website www.bradleysmaths.co.uk. And let's get straight into what we're doing today. We're looking at the real number family, which is signified by this blackboard bold letter R, and it consists of lots and lots of little parts. But to start with, it consists of all of the natural numbers and all of the integers, n and z, which you are familiar with. Today, we're going to introduce you to a new group of numbers that you've not met yet. These are the quotients, and they have a Q to look after them. And the quotients we describe as rational numbers. A rational number or a quotient is a number that can be expressed as a fraction with an integer in the numerator, which is the top number, and an integer in the denominator, which is the bottom number. So, rational numbers are numbers which, as I've just told you, can be written as a fraction in the form a over b, where a and b are integers. They include all of the integers. 5 can be written as 5 over 1. -2 can be written as -2 over 1. And 0, crucially, can be written as 0 over 1. Any integer can be written as a fraction in the form a over b just by putting it over 1, and it doesn't change it at all. Okay, they also include the terminating decimals. All terminating decimals, that means all decimals that have a fixed number of decimal places, can be expressed as a fraction. 0.7 is a fairly familiar one. It is 7/10. There are others less familiar, but they are just fractions. They can be changed into fractions, and in a later worksheet we'll find out how to do that. Okay, they also include the recurring decimals. 0.333333 going on forever is 0.3 recurring, and that is equal to 1/3, which is a fraction in the form a over b, where a and b are integers. There are some numbers that cannot be expressed as fractions. And we started off with the real number family consists of the rational numbers, and it consists of a group of numbers which don't have a letter, and that group of numbers is the irrational numbers. Numbers which cannot be written as a fraction, they are non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. Numbers like root 2. Root 2, the square root of 2, is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. It is irrational. You may have already heard of pi. Pi is the relationship between the diameter and the circumference of a circle, and pi, although we normally use it as 3.142, it actually is a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. And I think it's time to move on. So, rational or irrational? Pause the video now and have a go at them. When you come back, I will go through them for you. Okay, so welcome back. The square root of 4 equals 2. It is rational. Pi, I've just told you, pi is irrational. The square root of 3, I've just told you this one as well. This is irrational because 3 is not a square number. 0.75 is a terminating decimal. It is 75 over 100, which equals 3 over 4, and this is rational. Root 20. Root 20. 20 is not a square number. Root 20, therefore, is irrational. And root 196. The square root of 196 equals 14, which is rational. There we go. Let's move on. Did you get them all right? Hope so. Reciprocals. What is a reciprocal? A reciprocal is 1 over a given number. Okay? Sounds a bit odd? Well, don't worry. It'll soon all become clear. The reciprocal of a number is 1 divided by the number. That's all it is. The reciprocal of x is 1 over x, whatever x may be. So the reciprocal of 10 is 1 over 10. The interesting thing is, what is the reciprocal of 1 over 10? Well, 1 over 10 equals 10. Let's have a look at some you can try. 4 of them to try. So pause the video, try them, and when you come back, I'll have the answers ready for you. Okay, the reciprocal of 8 is 1 over 8. The reciprocal of 2/5 is 1 over 2 over 5. And this equals 5 over 2. Just so you were aware, let me do this up here. The reciprocal of A over B always equals B over A. Really, really, really important. Okay. The reciprocal of 0.5 is, well, 0.5 equals a half. So the reciprocal is 1 over a half, which is 2. And the reciprocal of -3 is negative 1 over 3. When you do the reciprocal of negative numbers, please do not lose the negative sign. It belongs there. Okay. And finally, today, warning, the zero trap. Now that sounds interesting, doesn't it? Warning, the zero trap. Okay. Find the reciprocal of 0. Do you want to have a go? Pause the video, have a go, and when you are ready, come back and we'll go through it. Okay, so the reciprocal of 0, it must be 1 over 0. But division by 0 is undefined. We say that division by 0 is undefined. So the reciprocal of 0 reciprocal of 0, oops, of 0 does not exist. Oops, spelling exist wrong. Making my own spellings up. There we go. Does not exist. The reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Please don't put 1 over 0. You will lose marks for it. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was useful for you. Please like and subscribe and visit my website www.bradleysmaths.co.uk for more of my worksheets. Bye.